How to get costumes in Nikke, the goddess of victory. So let's get started. So costumes are alternative cosmetics that can be equipped to Nikkas. So most costumes are locked behind premium transactions, such as direct purchase from the cash shop or by the premium track of mission passes. But some are also free to obtain. Although premium costumes are obtained via costume gacha, and then some costumes will offer additional voice lines and alongside cosmetic change. So here's some costumes, and this is how you can get it basically. So first, you can get it by going to the premium purchase, basically paying real money. So some costumes are directly available for purchase with real money in the in-game cash shop. Now we also have the premium mission passes which often include a featured costume as part of their rewards. Now we have here the gacha system. The costume gacha. These are limited time events where players can spend in-game currencies which is called gems or real money to pull for the costumes. Take note that some gacha skins may require a different pose and look for the NECA, while others might just offer the different outfit with the same pose. You can also get free costumes from events, collaboration events, and although you can get them like the Stellar Blade collaboration, it offers free costumes, it might take a while to get them because they are events and you will need to meet some requirements and do some specific tasks in order to obtain the events costumes. And that's how you can get costumes in Nika the Goddess of Victory.